Hey guys, it's Kylie from WTI. So today I just wanted to share with you one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. It is the Mineral Fusion Lipstick Butter, and this color is in Blackberry. And there are a couple reasons why I really love this brand and this lipstick in particular. So one of the things I really love about this brand, Mineral Fusion, is that it doesn't use any harsh chemicals or harsh ingredients in their products. So I feel like I'm using a really safe lipstick that I can use all the time and not feel like I'm adding a bunch of chemicals into my body. I really appreciate that when I put this lipstick on, it doesn't dry my lips out. It actually feels like butter, and that's what it's called, lipstick butter. So it really moisturizes my lips and it doesn't make them feel flaky or cracked. Another thing is that it doesn't really give me any sort of like a matte finish or a super glossy finish. It just has a very slight gloss to it. It doesn't go on like a lip gloss by any means, but it does kind of have a little bit of that shimmer when you do put it on, and it lasts for quite a few hours. I feel like I only have to reapply maybe once or twice a day if I'm wearing this lipstick, so I'm really happy with how long it does last. I really love my Mineral Fusion lipstick butter, especially in this color Blackberry. And it's something I've been just wearing for a long time, and I plan on keeping it around for a while. And that's my point of view.